Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it's your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. So Rainy Data updated you today that Joshua Okpata Ekpeha, the attacker offered to Kaizer Chiefs. Last team in Europa Noptin down 2022 to 2023 season. It was 0 goal, 1 assist, 5 starts, 18 match in League 2 English for the North Pond. The 26 years old spent 12 years in the Leicester City Academy. He is a former Belgium under-21 international of Nigeria descent. Clubless since leaving Brasileiro Serie B side Amazonas FC in 2024. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you know if I next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.